Sure, abuti honestly.
So from tomorrow, this is what's going to happen in the PA. And please listen so that you mustn't be told lies. And then I'm going to fight about something with you guys. But before I fight, I want to fix this first. From tomorrow, you have 2 weeks as a member of the Patriotic Alliance, a member of, 4 weeks. The 1st of July. You have until the 1st of July. All members of Patriotic Alliance, listen to me. You have until the 1st of July. Listen to me very nicely, so that there's no middleman here. I don't want a middleman. PA is changing tonight. We are going to form ward committees. Every ward will control their own ward. Listen, this is part 1, there's part 4. This is part 1. All of you must come together and give us a ward executive. That is a chairperson, a deputy chair, a secretary, a deputy secretary, a TG, a deputy TG, youth, veterans, LGBTQIQ, and women. One person standing for all of that. No contestation, no voting. You talk like big people. As jy weet, jy's 'n faffie speler, 'n dobbelaar. You can't become the treasurer. Jy gaan werk op die geld. Jy gaan die geld gaan gamble soos ek. You're going to gamble the money out. You know your strong points. I need you all for the ward leadership. I need every ward to have a ward committee which we as leaders will speak. I'll tell you where we're going. Listen to me, patriots. Have a meeting, all of you in the ward, and say, you will be our ward chairperson. Every ward in the PA must have a ward committee. I'm giving you the power from me to you. And an organizer. That power is by you now. Because this election gaat lelik is. We've given people money in the past. It has never gone to the wards. We've given people to buy food. Then people eat rubbish. Monies, you get there, you open the sandwiches, so stick. Kaas. So klein is the kaas, like so klein soos 'n moesie. But we've given money. T-shirts, people have 6 T-shirts, but there's people with no T-shirts. The party is changing, and this is what we're going to do. Please follow. You have the organizer and the religious person there. When that is done, the PA is bringing back the Women's Alliance. We bring the Youth Alliance. We bring the Veterans Alliance. We bring all of those back. But we're starting here first. On Wednesday, we're going to appoint the chairpersons of the province. The chairperson of the province. To say this person is in charge of Gauteng, this person is in charge of the Western Cape. We're still coming to regional and provincial. We are preparing ourselves now for the free part 4 and 2. We already know what is the plan. The Youth Alliance. When you're 21, you can't be part of the Youth Alliance. Jy's 'n ou man. Jy's 'n ou vrou. Jy's 'n adult. Jy is 28, nee, ek is youth. Jy sê youthie. Jy het al 3 kinders, maar jy's youth. Wat 'n youth het 3 kinders? Stop it. We're making people retarded. That's what we do. No, I'm youth until 34. Imagine 34. You know, then my office thing is telling me she's a youth, Stacey. Ek sê Stacey, what a youth? Stacey and Tiki, they are youth. Oh, enjoying the last year. The youth, you're not youth. In PA, you stop now at 21. The youth league starts at 16 to 21. Between 16, you can join, and 21. Our youth will be in that age. I'm going to repeat it, Patriots, you must hear it from me. The youth, when you are 60, when you are 60, you are veteran. When you are 60, you are a veteran. I am tired of people that make themselves gods of other people. When I take my tour, I want people to take power in their words. Because a person kom van die kant af, dan wil ek hom sê wat moet hier kan gebeur. Our youth is 16 to 21. Every ward must be in charge of themselves. When I go to Ekurhuleni, that's where I'm starting because they're very organized. I'm starting my presidential tour in Ekurhuleni. I'm coming to every area of the Patriotic Alliance. Sharifa, wat 25 is, hulle is by die Women's League. My father. The moment you get your 21st, your key, that's your key outside, you must go uitslated youth league. You are not youth. So, we are going to announce the leader of the women, the leader of the youth, the leader of the LGBTQI, the people that will lead those formations. And we don't want this thing that happened where the Women's League are fighting with the people in the branches and they have people that in the same party couldn't even speak about a certain date. No, we want the queens to come now. But there's a program in the wards. No, we are not working against each other. We're working with each other, for each other. You, if there's no PA in your ward, it's now your time to, because we want to know, some of you are leaders, but you don't know how many people in your ward doesn't have jobs. Actually, you don't know in your lead, you don't know in your ward if a child is gone. You don't even know it. We need a ward committee that got their finger on the pulse. They are there when people have funerals. They commandeer onze mense. We are going to bring structure. I'm coming to Ekurhuleni. So when I come to Ekurhuleni, our chair, Dino, will say, all wards. I want to know which ward is not there. Because wards will be told. We can somewhat see who's not working. If I say I'm coming to, let's say I say I'm coming to Hesekwa in that ward. And there's not people in the wall. It shows you those people are not working. No elections. You talk. Julle praat met mekaar. If you can't agree, then you can't serve together. So there's no elections. You talk. And you say, no, I can lead. You know, in Ward 34, I think it's Ward 34, where one leader was saying, no, you can become the councillor. Somebody else, and that's what we want. We want to go forward. There's no more time. I mean, you look at, you know, we are not here to judge people. Die manne wat so klaar, oh, maar die LGBTQI, hoekom in ons moffies is aan die Here se kinders? En is gewoonlik undercover moffies wat so praat. No, I've seen that. No, Pres, maar kom ons moffies het by die party. En dan denk ek maar, die klink dan ook so moffie. No, for real. Nee, Pres, kom met ons nou moffies in die woord van die Here sê, ons moet nie moffies. Oh. Jy probeer self my beroem, man. Ek hoor man, as 'n effenkie papaintjie wat deurkom maar en hy stem in. Let's not judge people. Ons is nie die Here nie. As jy gaan vote vra nie vir jou, het jy 'n moffie. Jy kan nie vote ja. Hier's baie van julle wat uit die kas uit moet klim. Jy's in die kas in. Ons maak jou vry in die PA. Be who you want to be in the Patriotic Alliance. I want to see who are the people that don't work. Hou zo uit aan die mense se woord uit. Werk is jou woord. We are coming to the upper structures. PA has lost a lot of money because there's some people, they'll give invoices that's so inflated. Like we have never run businesses. Every ward will make sure they do their own t-shirts. We'll give them the money for their t-shirts. We'll make sure they know how many people voters they have. Their gazebos, all those type of stuff. We are tired of giving people monies that never reach the people on the ground. So you've heard the instruction. If you don't understand, ask here while I'm still on this life. If you already have a whole structure and you're happy with our structure, keep it. You don't need to disband. You guys, as long as there's unity, as long as there's unity, I am looking for unity. I'm looking for nothing else than unity. PA wants to, when it comes to t-shirts, we give out so many t-shirts, but you see people say they don't have t-shirts. So now we want to say to the ward, we want you to be close to the people. You must know what is the problem in your ward. You need to know to say, listen, in my ward, die auntie, die familie het niemand wat vir hulle sorg nie. You can't be in charge of a ward and just blame the councillor. The councillors in PA get blamed every day. They're not the only leaders. We are all leaders. So the councillor must be helped by you guys. Oh, nee, die councillor werkie. Die councillor werkie, werk jy. Werk jy, dat is die vraag. Werk jy. Ons moet allemaal werk. I came to things Saturday. Yesterday. I went first to Easter Rivier. Then I went to Delft. to Rashid Lombard's family to go and pay my respect. And they'd eat. Then I first went to Rashid Lombard's family in Delft. Then I went to Easter Rivier to pay my respects by the Whittaker family. Then I went to Paul. The first thing I did when I got to Paul, when I got to Drakensberg, the first thing I did, I asked the leader there, Leader Mary, what do you want me to do? She says, take pictures, and then from here, we're going to the VD. I took pictures, I went to the VD. I was under Leader Mary. She was giving me instructions. I took pictures there, went to the VD, and then she says, let us walk through the streets. It started to rain. I walked because I was given an instruction. Ek het nie gesê nie, ek het verkoue nie. Mense, I want to show you something. Just hold on, just wait for me. Two seconds. Kykie. So. Hardloop ek nou daar in die reën and I want to show you something. Ek sê vir Zayn, ek is papnat. Dit reën. Ek sê Zayn, jong, gaat goed klaar vir my medicine, Corenza C en ACC 600, hulle goede, met lemon goedes. Ek sien klaar die vloek kom. Ek is in die reën, ek sê, jare, ek moet by die komreeds is morgenoggend. I went there. I said, Zayn, you guys go get me medicine. Because I had seekers. I didn't disobey the instructions from. Can you go to what structures in what 14 Mossel by julle kan aangaan as hulle mekaar verstaan. If you have what structures, why do you need to do another one? If you have one, and I went to go get treatment. Luckily, I didn't become sick, but I was ready. I was ready. I was ready for if I become sick. I didn't say, no, I can't do it. So, bou die PA, mense. Dis wat ek julle wil sê vanaand. Bou die PA. Let us just be lekker, men. Let us just be family. Some of you, you just join the PA now and then you send me to me, please, we're looking for you. How can we get hold of you? No, wait. They gaan nog my kon curry. I am busy. Patriots understand that I am busy. You know, it's, I'm coming to you. Build. Bow. Bow. And some of you go and ask people for money for PA and you keep the money. We've never sent you to ask people for money. Mense, hou net op, man. Laat ons die ding bou, man. Let's build together. Then there's another tier saki. There's something I want to speak to you guys. It's the issue of applying for jobs. You guys don't apply for jobs. You don't apply for board positions. You don't apply for opportunities. You just complain, but you don't apply. Some of you don't. You know, Russia is a competition of artists and singers. And I said, no, they must take from all races. And then my office told me, we call those people. They don't have passports. People go and get yourself a passport. Wat 'n artist is jy wat jy 'n paspoort het? Wie het vir jou getoer? Who bewitched you? Check already where you're going to help. The ones of Joburg, julle moet vir hulle reg kry vir Rodepan. Because people of Rodepan, they always help when there's by-elections. They were there in Ennerdale. No such jealous men fast. Why must we always tell you to go and help? When I was in Ennerdale, I saw the people of Rodepan. Sarifa and them, hulle kom help die kant. Pully Pulse, hulle was hier. They came to help. Why must we tell you? Julle sit elke dag hier so, strain kantore, and all that you guys are doing is just arguing there in those offices. I'm coming for that offices there in Gauteng. In city of Joburg and daar. Watch that movie van Moraf. Why can't you jump in your car and go and help? All that you guys know is just talk bad about each other. You don't go and help. Go and help where there's a by-election. Kijk, waar is het close, wat de kant is close aan jou, then you go and help. Mense, loop help uit, daar is kos, kry net vir jou daar. Patriotte, maak op julle huise vir die ander patriots. So what we're going to do, we are going to advertise these jobs. Please apply, mense. Please apply. Get your passport. Get your license if you don't have one. We are going to help in all the by-elections. You have Neisner, you have Bergrivier, you have Mosselbaai, you have Ward 1, and you have the one that makes the D Mao, Ward 34. Julle Bradley, daar loop by mense deur mekaar. Julle maak die mense mal. There, the SG has put Drakensberg, Mosselbaai. Kijk maar, the SG put everything on here. See waar. Matsikama. Kijk maar wat jy inval. So just come and find yourself. You can't be a PA and we are declaring war. En dan staan sy hier en kyk die war. Maar jy's a PA. So I'm saying when your structures are working, you don't need to change stuff there. En hou op klaar. Bid vir die mense. Talk to the people. Just fix stuff, man. But stop complaining all the time. Hulle hou nie van my nie pres. Pres hulle haat my. Jy is sometimes die toerkie dat is in hulle. And you're constantly complaining. Let's fix each other. Let us help each other, patriots. Let us be there for each other. Dis die nou, my kop hoor. Laat ons mekaar help. I know some of you have been told, no, you wouldn't get a post, but it's a new era. Just be patient with each other. Apply for jobs. Just be there for each other. Help out. Laat ons saamwerk, mense. Let's work together. Gaat help in Mosselbaai. And I want to talk about Mosselbaai. You know, people are sending me so many messages that we can't have that guy as a councillor. That guy used to sell alcohol. He used to sell drugs in his day. Ek dank die Here vir die councillor. Dankie Shorty, dat jy die councillor is. Die bloed van die Here het nooit sy krag verloor nie. En ek hoop jy wen. Because they sending me long messages on Facebook why you shouldn't be the councillor. Kyk jy, as die Here gesê het ja, who can say no? You have my full support, Councillor Mossel Bay. Jy het my vol in the support. I'm one person that all sin is forgiven if you ask the Lord. Van julle klaar, jy wil weer kanselier gewees het daar, nou praat jy van die kanselier. Gaan jou toortjie. Gaan, los ons maar met die drankverkoper. This is our home. Ons help mekaar. As jy nie bly die man wat drank verkoop het, is nou by dit van politics. As jy nie bly nie. Doesn't that make you happy? Die man is nie weer daar by die huis stakse goed te sê. Sy kry mense soos Ompeile. Hulle werk, no problem. Hy werk Ompeile daar in Noord-Kaap. Hy klaar nooit nie. Hy is mense wat werk. Die man het die probleem. Man werk nie oor die PA nie, maar sy hoor nie die man klaar nie. Hy werk net. Hy wat gistermiddag 2 uur hier gekom het, het al klaar 20 klagtes. Van julle, you know, you're your own worst enemy, you don't even know it. You fight and you fight and you fight and you blackmouth each other, like there in the MEC's office in Gauteng. Tomorrow the MEC is resigning in Gauteng. People must reapply for jobs. But julle is besig om mekaar swak te maak. The MEC is going to Parliament. Parliament, there's something which I can't say now, but she's going somewhere from there. Gaat hulle maar aan mekaar so beklei. We need people in that office that don't badmouth each other. We need people in the city of Joburg offices that don't badmouth each other. Ons soek mense wat saamwerk. In PA offices, some of you badmouth each other. We don't want that. We want you to work together. We want you to work together, all of you. Ons speel hier nie. We're not busy with jokes here. This is the PA. We're not busy with jokes here. We're changing lives here. Stop this thing of talking bad about each other and hating each other. Now we must deal with your hate for each other, but we have a revolution ahead of us. Kry vir yourself by 'n by-election asseblief. Get yourself to a by-election, please. Werk met die grond. Ons kyk wie's op die grond. And in PA, we give other people a chance. Just work the ground. That's all I'm asking you. People like Leify and them, they are councillors today because they work the ground. They are councillors today. There are some people there, I didn't even see them when I went to Drakenstein. I was there, I didn't see them, but they are PA members. But where were you? Your whole president is there, but you're not there. Where were you? Kaiki, just work. We can't be telling you the same things. We don't want drama kings and drama queens. We don't want that here. Werk. Just work. Some of you, we don't see you, but we were in your area. Maar jy is by mekaar hier op Facebook. Sy het baie data. Julle gee krag weg, man. So, this is what I want to say to you guys. Let's build the PA. Let's go together. The guys like Gimba and Juliet and whatever, and MEC Shaila, wat ingaan. Don't let Parliament change you. Want net soos jy daar inglij, so sal jy uitglij. Guys, build your area. You look at George. You look at Saldanha, Matikama, Drakenstein. I'm just mentioning the Western Cape. Overberg. Those are places that you must just win outright. Northern areas, Bradley and them there. I expect nothing else from them to win Ward 34. Bradley will be in very big trouble with me if he doesn't win that ward. Because I'll give him all the support he wants. All the support. Because Bradley has it in him. Bradley has it in him to lead Nelson Mandela Bay. And so I've given him power to say, Bradley, commandeer ons mense hier. So if he's going to play with that power, dan gaan hy my ken. So ons kan nie woord verloor, jy het vir Bradley wat daar bly, jy het vir Viron wat daar bly, jy het vir Chet. Waar het hy Chet hulle, waar kan ek met 'n man werk soos Chet wat nog 'n woord kom verloor, waar hy bly daar. En nou mense, ek gaan vir julle al die support gee. But I like what I see in Nelson Mandela Bay. I see unity. I see unity, and that's what I want. I see unity in Matikama with Monica and them. I see unity in Saldanha. I see unity there. Gaan aan met die werk. Weet jy, ek kom in Overbergen. En Auntie Vanessa kom net in. Sy kom net van die straat af, like, please, sorry, dat ek is nou so amper laat. I had to fix that. And she's working. She's working. So my point I'm trying to make is, keep on working. Keep on working for our party, man. Once I trust you with power, you better use it. We've given the world the power back. Walid het vir Tiffany nat gespoeg. Toe spoeg Tiffany vir hom terug. And he had no right to do that. He had no right to do that. And he came and I said, go get help. You need help. Jy kan nie veel mens nat spoeg nie. He went to get help. He's still getting help. Nou sê mense, hoe Walid? Walid het nog niks. Hulle wil altyd net mense afbring. Los vir Walid. Walid is getting help. I don't cancel people. Walid is getting help. Los Walid is onder my, is in my hande. He's getting help. And I'm proud of him that he subject himself to the instruction. Walid asked me, Pres, mag ek maar werk op die grond? He asked me that. As ek toegelaat om te werk op die grond, ek sê, toegelaat? Van jou jag ek self weg as jy die woord verloor. Ek sê hom net so. Sy praat van toegelaat. Sy's 'n PA member. Ons moet jou help. Ons moet jou nie vir die wolwe gooi nie. We mustn't throw you to the wolves. We must help you. En as 'n man so natspoeg, dan moet jy hom los. Die spoeg. I tell you what I'm laughing about the issue of Walid. Die enigste spoeg wat jy moet aanvaar, as hy mekaar soen en hy is maar een kawasiekie, wat die spoeg waai. Jy weet, die andere mense wat jy so soen. Ek vertel my die kawa story. Hy is die enigste spoeg wat, iemand wat jy nat spoeg, los vir hom. Don't stay with somebody wat jy nat spoeg nie. Ja, maybe as hulle daar lekker liefde verkeer en die spoeg waai en wat is lekker spoeg is hier op die neus, hy is okay man. Hy is nog lekker, die spoeg is oral, maar nie. Ons soek hy lekker spoeg hier. Amper sê ek hier jou bek lekker. Of sê ek car washes. Daar was so soed, hy beter was so soed. Here, die spoeg is oral, hulle noem hulle car washes. Die liefde, so ordelik aan dit. But somebody, a man that ill treats you, you must report him to me. If he's in the PA and he ill treats you, report him to me. Report him to me. You must not let a man ill treat you in the PA. A man moet so, die spoeg moet waai daar tussen die komberse. Nie hier, mekaar spoeg as hulle kwaad is hier. Hulle moet mekaar soen, laat die spoeg waai. Spoeg gaan nat, binnen die komberse. Nie hier nie. Spoeg spat hier. I told you about this, about this friend of mine. I introduced him to this girl. And then he broke up with the girl. And I said to the girl, I said, what did you do? He says, I don't know. I've asked the girl, why did you leave him? She's like, oh, hier, een car wash. Hy volgens spoeg my dat en sy my soen, dus oral is een car wash. Ek pars uit van die lach. So, Koelisha. So, ek het ook al met een Koelisha uitgegaan. O, hier, die spoeg is oral. Koelisha. En weet, was ook al oral, so jou groot woord, joh. Ek het al een Koelisha gehad. Sê, van die Bella. Ek het aan Koelisa gedoen. Kissing is pap, dat gekoel. Soen is een koel nog. Ek het aan sê, ek sal ooit spoeg kort die wanneer die ooit die koel op me. Like ek is zo'n koel ever. En dan is het soet soos iets. As hulle buiten soet, jy dink dit reën. Hulle is soet nieuwe liefde. Jy dink hulle soet in die reën. Hy spat so nat. You know? And you must not do what Tiffany did. Tiffany loved Walid so much that she was hiding how he treated her because she didn't want to bring damage to the party. And she confided in me at the end. So that's what I'm saying to you. Don't hide and use thinking, ek wil die party in disrepute city. Een man wat sy hand oplig vir jou kort help. Ek sê nou vir julle. En dan sien ek die sousbekker wat help nodig het. Ek sê nie die sousbekker nie, wat die Koelishas nie. But, ja, nou be serious, maar julle laat my lach, maar die goede wil sê wat, hè. Ek wil weer sê wat my Koelisha, ek was ook al opgekoel, hoor. Ja. Hey, liefde sal maak, jy moet alles aanvaar. Een wit leid die opstaan die ochtend. Leid die cocaïne gebruik, die spoeg uitgekom het. De wit leid, as die politie kom, hulle dink jy is gekook. Ons kom al allemaal. Kykie, wat ek tronk toe gaan. Nou sê ek, sit hulle my in die dinges in die voeteboeie. En hanneboeie, nou loop jy so man, so pikke wijnkie. Ne? Nou loop jy so een pikke wijnkie. Nou het ek my voete, like you walk like that. En then I saw my ex-girlfriend. And I heard she said something to her friend. They're like, woe, ek was ook al daar. Die pandit, hier ons was ook al ooral. Ek kreeg laat skaam, dat ek die kant toe kyk, ne. Sy is nou bewaarderkie. Sy sê, wat sy my sien, when she saw me like, sy sê my vriend, hier mens, was ook al ooral, kan ek geloof, ek was al by die. My vriend sê, sy lieg, regtig? Hy bandiet. Sy sê, moenie praat nie, ek is glad skam. Nou, ek het toch al 'n Kwelisha gehad. Nee, was het nogal tamelijk lekker gesoet, Vicky Fly. Vicky lijkt me, hij story praat van. Hij is nogal tamelijk lekker. Kijk je, tomaat niet zo'n bek. Nee. So, I just want to say to you people, you must feel protected as women in this party. You must feel protected as women in this party. You know, for me, there's nothing that, you know, me say, always tell the story. She once told me about a guy that threatened her. She said, I will never tell you again. I was never so mad in my life. So, what I'm saying to you is, I want women to feel protected here in this party. We must protect our women in this party. They must feel protected and we must not hide it. And no man moet jou nat spoegie, behalve as jy nou tussen die converses. No man must talk to you like you got you in a dustbin. And no man, en julle vrouens is ook MMA fighters, UFC. Gaat kry jou in vir boxing as jy jou man like slaan. Gaat kry vir jou in vir boxing, want jy's dan 'n vroue bokser, ons kort vroue boksers, ek is die minister van sport. If you hit your man, die is so die manne like klap. Gaat skryf vir jou in by power slap, het jy die power slap ding gesien? Jy kan vir jou prys wen, ek so, kykie, I saw power slap, there's women also there. And those women, ek kan nie eens klappie, ek dink hier, ek had nou met soos pen toe. Ek kan nou 'n champion gaan haal met klap. Jy wat so jou man klap. Jy wat so jou man klap. Gaat skryf jou in by power slap, man. Laat jy kan geld maak met die klappe van zo. Nou die waarheid is, ek gaan na Kwelisha toe gaan, dan drink ek die water, als ek goed dors, ne. Ek sal die water, want ek weet, ek kom sluk weer die hele tweede half liter. Even if I'm thirsty, ne, when I go to Kwelisha, en ek was te lief vir Kwelisha. Ek het daar die naam gegeven van Kwelisha. I won't tell you real name. So dan ga ik maar bel haar toe. Dan drink ik maar niet water. Ja, als ik dorst, want ik weet, die hele 2 liter koeil ga ik ook op de whole 2 liters. Kijk je. Zie hoe pak zwart is mijn nek. Can you see? Nou, blik. Is het, nee? Ja, ze zal mij een love bite maken. Ze maakt een love bite in die zwartheid. Ze zal nog steeds die love bite zien. Ik zei zo, als ze eerst uit tanden uitgehaald en ze zoen mij, dan weet ik, hier, dan gaat die tip nou op. Ik is zo verliefd, ik drink maar in die water, zo right, maar die is mijn Kwelisha, jullie kan maar jaloers. Zat ze weer zo 3 love bites en terug gaan zomer toe, dan zijn dikke love bite. Ze kan maar Colgate opzetten, ik zo, die kan ze me gevangen zoals een haai. Als ze hier vangt zoals een haai. Ze slaat een love bite zoals een haai. Had ik een groot love bite die. Toen mijn maat die gekend van love bite, zei mijn ma. Is die zeker die muskieten, toen niet gebeten, ik het gezien en zei, ja mama, die muskieten in die Kaap is baie groot, mama. Die muskieten is baie groot. Zij weet die haai het mij vastgevangen, hij kan mij hier vangen. Gaan soen sy my, kykie, en dan bewater sy nog, I love bite, laat ek aan bly, dat die tandenpasta, the toothpaste, mustn't be able to do something. Let me get off this live, you guys. Ons was al oral hoor. Die liefde, so swart soos ek hier, sy slap neer, en ding wat so orange soos my tekkies. Die orange is die tekkie. Had hy love bite so orange, hy staat duidelik, ne? Wat sal nooit water drink? When I go to Kwelisha, I don't drink water. Because ek weet, ek gaat nou 2 liter water gaan kry, maar al wat wil soen, sy soen tamelijk lekker. Tamelijk lekker. Ek sê so, ek het nie die weather weer gekyk, the weather forecast, if they say it's going to be rainy, dan weet ek, ja, by my ook is het maar rainy, als die son gaan skyn, maar ek weet het is rainy by my, sy kom bereid my met die 2 liter. Hij was bij noem Nampi. Je let me zeggen, hello papa, hello babe, hello Miss Scatterball. Ik was like, hey Kwelisa, hey Kwei, how's it Kwei, met Kwelala? Gaat het Kwei? Ik zeg je maar, als ik ben gevangen die, dan lok ze. Ja, als je me laat bij zoals een haai, zo pik zwart zoals ik hier is. Dat is die nek. Kijk je, nee, laat mij hou net tot ik weer terugkom om mijn 2 liter te komen drinken. Als ik terugkom voor mijn 2 liter, dan is die laafbijt weg. Dan krijg ik weer een nieuwe highbite, nee. En dan lok mij. Ze lok mij in niet, hè. Weet je, een laafbijt krijg dat het sier is. Yes, ik maak me sier, maar ik hou me met no macho. Ik, dat is niks, Ze die tanden uitgehaald. Ze grip me zoals een vampire. Nee? Dan is het sier, man. Ik is ook hier. Hou me ook droog. Guys, I love you guys. Ik ga weer op een lachen. I'm simple like that. I love my own stories. I love you guys. Die liefde. Die. Hoe raak je dat is ook een krijg toch? Ik zou moeten praten met een man van haar. Het is ook een koeilie. Ja, moet je kijken. Of je man ook met lafbijt loopt. Hij vampire lafbijt. Ja. Alle mensen gaan sop komen bij je toe. Ik heb dat zo'n bekje gehad. Holka was. En als hij, wat zo dat wordt genoemd, is genoemd bitches. Die bitches. Ik weet niet, maar bitches is like zoals Dentine. Als hij, en stimmerol. Als hij die geëet het, dan drink ik flavored water. Dat was die stimmerol, peppermint. Zie die gelijk. Als gooi je zo 3 uit die, dan weet ik op drink vandaag het liefst. Ik kom drink. Flavored. Als ik zo chippies koop. En zijn peppermintjes geëet. Peppermint. Stimmerol peppermint. Dan weet ik het, 2 liter peppermint water. En goed geworden bij water van Kwelisa. I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.